Why broke people stay broke. And it's not what you think. Everyone assumes it's about income, that broke people just don't make enough money, but that's not true. There are people making 6 figures who are completely broke, and people making half that who are building wealth. Income isn't the problem. It's not bad luck either. Broke people aren't cursed. They're not unlucky. The universe isn't against them. Here's the real reason. They don't have a system, and without a system, money disappears. Think about it. Paycheck comes in, bills get paid, whatever's left gets spent. Nothing is planned. Nothing is intentional. It just happens. And when money moves without a plan, it moves away from you every single month. This is why broke people stay broke. They're not lazy. They're not stupid. They're just running without a map, working hard but going nowhere. The cycle repeats. Paycheck, bills, broke. Paycheck, bills, broke. Year after year. Nothing changes because nothing is different. Here's how to break the cycle. Get a system. A system means every dollar has a job before you spend it. A system means you know your real surplus. A system means you simulate decisions before you make them. The Finance Reset Toolkit is the system. You enter your income. You enter your expenses. It shows you exactly what's left. Then you assign that surplus to goals. Emergency fund, debt payoff, vacation. Every dollar has a destination. The interactive web app lets you simulate changes. What if you cut an expense? What if you add a side hustle? You see the impact before you commit. People who got the system broke the cycle. They stopped wondering where their money went. They started telling it where to go. If you're ready to stop being broke and get the system, hit the like button, comment system below, and subscribe for more. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.